All right, so in here we have two different graphs. All right, so what it's asking us to do is compare the slopes, the y-intercepts, the ranges, the x-intercepts, and then the domain. Okay. All right, so let's start with the slope. Well, if we look at slope, well, slope is rise over run. All right, so if we're going to do rise over run, so if we look from here, and then I'm going down to here, so my slope is a -2 over, and then over 1. Okay, so that slope would be -2. All right, meanwhile, the other slope, see, we're looking here, and then it goes down to here. So this one is going down, instead of just 2, it actually is going to go down 4. And it's going over 1. So that would be a slope of -4. Now, which one of these has a bigger slope, has a steeper slope? As you can see, the second one is steeper than the other. So the magnitude of the slope of f of x is less than. Okay, see, this one's flatter. This one is a steeper slope. It's a bigger slope. All right, now let's look at the y-intercepts. So this one has a y-intercept of -4. Where this one, the y-intercept would be way off the chart, way up here somewhere. See, it's way above 5. Okay, so in this case, the y-intercept of f of x is also less than. See, this y-intercept is -4, where this y-intercept would be way off the chart. So way up here, like 10-ish or something. Okay, now the range values are your y values. So if you look, that these lines go on forever. So my range is going up forever and down forever. In this one, my range is also going up forever and down forever. So both of these actually have the same range because they're both from -infinity to +infinity. They go forever up and forever down. Okay, now the next thing says the x-intercept. So let's look at the x-intercepts. So the x-intercepts, well, this one's at -2. Well, this one's at +3. So if we say which one's bigger, well, the x-intercept of g of x is bigger than that. So this would be f of x has a smaller x-intercept than g of x. And then the last thing is the domain. Well, domain is your left to right. So if you look left to right, we go forever left and right here. We go forever left and right here. So in this case, the domain would also be the same for each one.